Good morning, students. Now we will start our new chapter, that is working in Excel, chapter number 3. Now Excel is a spreadsheet program. So the introduction I will give you about the Excel, because the interface that you are looking in the computer or onto the screen, that is the interface of Excel. That first of all I will explain what is Excel. So Excel is a spreadsheet program that allows you to store, organize, and analyze information. So first thing is you can organize the numerical data, and you can analyze the information. Analyze means you can easily analyze the and do the analysis on the information that you have written on the sheet. And it is also used to store the data. If suppose you have written something on this spreadsheet, on this worksheet, that you will easily save it, and you can use it for the later use. So Excel is a program, that spreadsheet program, that allows you to store, organize, and analyze information. Now this is an Excel interface. I'm telling to you about the interface. I'm just moving my mobile closer to the interface. That is, now you will be able to see that this is your office button. This is known as office button. This is a quick access toolbar. So you will see that we have three options. That is, one is save, another is undo, and then redo. So this is the option that you can easily see here, and these options you can customize from this place. If you click on this option, you will see that only a save, undo, and redo option is being ticked. So if you want to add some more, suppose a print preview, you want to add this print preview button on this quick access toolbar, then you have to click on the print preview, and then you will see that one more button is added here in this quick access toolbar. So by this way you can customize your quick access toolbar. And then the ribbon is same, as you will see this ribbon: home tab, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. This is all your ribbon. This book one and Microsoft Excel, this is written on the title bar. The first one is known as title bar because it is a part of your quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is also located on the title bar. So you will see that book one is the default name. When we save this file, this name will be changed from book one to the name that you will specify. And then on the right hand side we have the 3 button, and this is used for minimize, maximize, and close button. And all the students knows about the uses of these 3 buttons. This is for the minimize button, this is for maximize and restore button, and this is for closing your MS Excel. So this is your title bar. On the top of the window you will see always a title bar along with the office button that is on to the left hand side. This circle is known as office button. Then you have these tabs. Different tabs are there, and you will easily see these tabs. These tabs are connected with the ribbon. So we have different options in the ribbon. If we will click on insert, you will see that the options will change. Now we have different options available here in this ribbon. So if I will click on page layout options, then the different options will appear in the ribbon. So when you have a tab, the tabs are connected to the ribbon, and we have different options, different buttons available in the ribbons. And these are the options that we can easily work on the data. And then after you will see interface that is known as A1. You will able to see A1 is showing to you here. This A1 is a name and address of a cell. Now I'm specifying it. You will be able to see this is the column A, B, C, D. These are the columns. Okay, and when you see this 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your column and rows. So you will see that the black border is on A1. This A is selected, this 1 is selected. So the name appears over here is A1. It is, I don't know that why it is going to blur. Okay. Now it is going to blur. Now I will change that. You will see that this address is now A2. This is 2, this is A, so it is appearing here A2. So if I will change by the help of the any keys, then these options will be changed. Now my video is going to blur, so that is why I'm just stopping my video here, and I will continue this same in the next video. Thank you.